You said you wanted to see me and needed help with something troublesome. But you're still in the same location. Are you stuck in traffic? I'm on my way. Yes. By the time we hang up, I'll be there. By motorcycle. I didn't feel like waiting. Oh, I'm an adjective again? If you can't wait, then why don't you get out? I know. But weren't you looking forward to trying out the restaurant's cuisine? If you get soaked, we'll book a hotel room so you can take a hot shower. Clothes are easy to replace, and I'm here. I won't let you catch a cold. So, what's the holdup? Are you afraid of getting wet? Or people seeing you soaked? Or maybe you're worried the rain will stop when you step out and get drenched. You're not wrong. I figured I could help you process your thoughts while I'm waiting. Answers that are 100% correct don't exist. But in your heart, there's something you want more than anything else. The desire to visit a certain restaurant. You desperately want to do it. Weather this storm, and everything you need will be there. Nothing more and nothing less. What are you going to do, kitten? I have a motorcycle with your name on it. Just so you know, you'll still be drenched. It won't be as glamorous as you imagine. But if you leave now, the imported ingredients will still be fresh. A candlelit dinner, a warm bath, watching the rain fall over Lincoln City. Then open the door. The motorcycle and I are by the roadside. Can you see me? Once you're motivated to step out, you'll see me. Oh, wait. You'll open the door sooner or later. And as long as I'm here, that day will arrive before you realize it.